Hello! If you are visiting this video, you probably need some help with the Daffodils Bloom granny square blanket. So let me show you how we creating those sepals. You attaching yarn to your single crochet stitch around the post and you making single crochet stitch. You need to pick up 2 stitches just like that, and you're turning your work. Each sepal is worked in rows, so we're making 2 single crochet in each of the 2 stitches we just made. We have 4 stitches total. Now in the next row we will increase our stitch count by 2. So in the first stitch we're making 2 single crochet, and in the last stitch we're making 2 single crochets, and in the middle we're just making 1 single crochet in each stitch. And this is the widest part of our sepal, so in the next row we will just make 6 single crochet stitches, 1 in every stitch. Going forward we will be decreasing stitches. In this row we start with 2 single crochet together, followed by 2 single crochet, 1 in each stitch, and 2 single crochet together. In the next row we're making only 2 times 2 single crochet together, and lastly the last row 2 single crochet together. You can cut your yarn, leave the longer tail, because we will be arranging and attaching these 3 sepals to our granny square. I hope this information was helpful. And if you need more help with petals, watch this video.